And yes, we have a turbine KV-2. Hey guys, my name is Stanley and I'm from RC Tech Legion. Thank you for watching my channel. Sorry guys, I really have to apologize for the lack of uploads these last few months. I've been so busy with my work. So anyways, so today we're going to be unboxing the new Heng Long tank, the Russian KV-2. Finally released, and it's finally in Malaysia. This I think would be the first KV-2 in Malaysia. So let's check it out and see what's new and what's so special about this, and is it worth the wait. This, by the way, is the NexTool Flagship Pro. You can get this from my shop as well. It's available from my online store and also Shopee. I'll put a link in the description. Really nice. Comes with a lot of tools. 16 tools in fact. Okay, so let's start in this. Okay, it comes with the standard Heng Long dry decals, and of course the instructions. And just to let you guys know, this is the version 7. We'll come to the version 7 in a minute, but usually it comes with the box of bits and bobs. This will probably be the parts, the control knobs, spare tracks. I don't see a figurine here. Okay, there's no figurine. Okay, this would be the charger, the USB charger. I don't like this. I usually use a proper charger. Battery and the IR battle receiver. Box of BBs. Okay, so version 7. Okay, instructions at the back on what button does what. Okay, let's put the batteries in. So when you turn it on, you can hear the sound beep. Okay. Okay, out of the box you can see it's already painted and weathered from the factory, so it looks the part, but you know, we can always do a better job. Okay. As far as I know, the new thing would be the turret. The lower house should be the same as the KV-1 that Heng Long have already in the stock. Out of the box I can see it comes with metal suspension arms, which is really good, and okay, no anti-slip ring, but that's alright. But this is interesting, metal suspension arm, which is not included usually, and I see it has adjustable front idlers, so there's an adjustable system here through a Allen key. Okay, and let's give it a go. Let's see if we can open any hatches. Okay, we can open up the commander's hatch for plugging in the IR receiver. What else we can open? Okay, nothing else can be opened now. Okay, let's give it a go. Let's open up and power up with the battery and switch it on. For those guys who already know about tanks and stuff like that, if you guys know about the version 7, yeah, the version 7 is, in our opinion, my opinion especially, downgrade from the version 6. Unfortunately, they already superseded the version 6 with version 7. So there won't be any more version 6 out in the market. All new tanks will come with version 7 MFUs. So yes, all your World War II tanks would sound like American Abrams turbine engine, or a Challenger 2 diesel engine. So just for you guys to as information, the two sound sets that come with the version 7.0 is a Challenger 2 turbo diesel, not a Leopard 2. and the other set would be the turbine M1 turbine engine. Okay, the switch is where's the switch? Where is the switch? Interesting. Oh, okay. The switch is underneath the driver's hatch. Okay. Turn on. As usual, flashing headlight would be means power on, standby mode. Make sure your radio is on. Press the padlock key to start the engine. And yes, we have a turbine KV-2. Turbine powered KV-2. Heng Long, you guys suck. You are terrible in your technical department. You guys don't listen to what the customer wants. You just build whatever you like. So there it is. I said it. Okay, to change the sound, you press G and K usually. For the version 7, to change the mode, you press G and K. The tank will turn off, and then you have to start again, and then you get a new engine sound. So now, turbo diesel. So yeah, the version 7 is a downgrade to the version 6 because the version 6 has 4 sound sets and the version 7 has only 2 sound sets. So yeah, it's a downgrade, and it comes with a bunch of features which I find ridiculously useless because there are things that it says, oh, you does that. When I was playing around the settings, does nothing, no significant difference to me that I can tell. Therefore, I find it useless. Anyways, coming on to this, as with all standard Heng Long tanks, it drives with the right stick. You can turn right. You can, okay. And the good thing about the new version 6 and 7 is that you can drive really slow. If you just push the stick a little bit, the tank will nice realistically slow. And to turn the turret is the left stick over here, like so, up, down. And then to fire is to press the 2 silver buttons here. Okay, machine gun, 1 silver button, the left one. You can see it over here. Standard turrets only have a limited to 320 degrees because you don't want kids to turn and then you twist all the wires inside. So that's the reason why they purposely put the limiter on the turret ring. Like so, it's a safety thing. And the good thing about Heng Long turret motors is that it comes with a clutch. So if you want to set it back, you can turn it back slowly to the direction you want to keep, especially when you turn off the tank and you want to put it to the correct orientation before you put it in your box. So you can, if you do it carefully, you won't break the turret motor. Okay, so just to show you again, there we go. And of course, up down is minimum, maximum rate, and the up. When you hear that limit, that tick tick tick, that's the limiter. So don't force it. It shoots the BB, and I think load the BB. Where do you load the BB from? This is interesting. Where do we load the BB from? Okay, the rear hatch can be open, but I don't see where you can load the BB. Let me see. Oh, this apparently opens up. There we go. The reason why I couldn't open it because it's a swivel open, so you need to swivel this open. This is where you pour your BBs in. Okay, don't put too many, put about 25 max because overloading it will cause it to jam. Okay, so as you can see, the rear hatch opens, which is a nice cool feature. Generally speaking, Heng Long don't make all this opening hatches, so this is one of the cool things lah. Okay, swivel open this. I don't know what this is. This is probably a vision port or something, but yeah. Okay, I find the springs a little soft, but okay. Let's give it a go. Wait a second. Did I see this right? The barrel just pulled in. Look at this. Okay, this is the famous silly Heng Long recoil barrel. I call this the bow and arrow. Why a bow and arrow? Because when you draw a bow, when you draw a bow and arrow, it goes back, and then when you fire, you release it. So this is a bow and arrow action. So you pull the barrel back, and then it recoils. So this is not a realistic recoil. This is called a bow and arrow. Yeah, rubbish. Anyway. Anyways, it comes with like that, so there's nothing you can do about it until you change or disconnect there is a mechanism that pulls the barrel back. So my suggestion, if you don't like this unrealistic feature, just remove that connector bar, and then you wouldn't have this funny recoil action going. Yeah, that should fix it. The whole bunch of features can be seen in your little sticker. I'm just gonna run through. You can fine-tune trim. Okay, you can fine-tune your trim by pressing G and then your left stick to the left or to the right. Also, you can adjust trim for front and back. Also with G and then with the drive. Okay, you can turn on the front or rear lights. Let's see. Okay, so I just turn on the front light, press G and then flick up the left stick, and then you can turn on Heng Long spin K+1. Okay, let's give it a go. So yeah, the very famous Heng Long super spin, which is the stupid thing. Let's turn it off. Yeah, it's turned off now. BS turning circle. What does that mean? K+2 to the right. Not sure what that does, but okay. Automatic loading action. K+2. Don't know. Okay, to change the volume, previously on Heng Long models, to change the volume, just press V, the volume, and then the volume goes up and then cycles down. So now you press V and then this left stick up, and it goes all the way up max, and then to bring it down, like so, until it's quiet. So it doesn't cycle, so it just goes up or down. And this is the max. Let's bring it down. Let's reduce the recoil. Let's turn the tank to the side. What it means by reducing recoil? See, the tank kicks a little bit when you press K and S. You see how much it kicks more? A lot more, and then none. So let's put it to minimum one setting, so it kicks a little bit. K+A. Oh, you can change different machine gun sounds. Let's make sure. Machine gun sounds. K+A. So you go to a different machine gun sound. It sounds like a 50 cal. It sounds like a GPMG 7.62. Main gun mod G and B. G, B. Let's try. G and B allows you to have instant fire, so you don't have to wait for the BB mechanism. So you can fire instantly, especially good for IR battles. Drag brake level, regular double gyro, sound effect, launch, B and A. B and A, oh, B and A is firing. Okay, and then if you really forget what you've just done with your setting, maybe your kids just start mashing the button and you got all the wrong setting, right? You can press keypad, G and K, all three together to restore back to factory settings. Okay, that way, if you really forgot what you did, you made a mess of it, just do a factory reset. The engine start button, G and K, all together, you press together, you'll do a factory reset. Okay, let me turn this off. Overall, this is a very interesting tank. Of course, it comes with a few neat features, such as the rear hatch, the sliding, swiveling BB port, the silly bow and arrow cannon recoil. This is a unique tank. This is interesting. Also quite affordable compared to the German brand and such. You can get this from our web store, rctanklegion.com. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, my name is Stanley.